Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bagunara, how are you all? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bagunara, beta, Bagunara, Harshita Bagunara. I'm good. I'm good. Yes, beta, I had your lunch. What about you? You had your lunch? Have you had your lunch? Hello, guys. Hello, YouTube guys. Hi, Rashmita. Okay, they are taking time. Sir, I did homework. Very good, very good. I'm good, beta. I'm good. Have you done your homework? Sir, can we message you on this? No, beta. Personally, when you'll come here, then I'll tell you the doubts. Personal doubts. Oh, you have got. I haven't shared my Insta ID. Key of homework. Okay, I will share, beta. Don't worry. Now we are eating snacks, sir. Oh, right now you guys are eating. I thought you guys eat snacks from 5 to 6. Very good, very good. Namaste. Namaste, beta. Good evening, good evening. YouTube people, good evening. Namaste, very good. Sir, biryani, drinking, homework, homework, homework. Okay. Sir, where are you from? I've already told now. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so let's start what we have studied yesterday. We have studied about average velocity and average speed. So in the ending of the class, I have given some homework. I hope you have tried the homework. Have you tried or not? Homework. How many of you have done homework? No? Those were very easy questions. Yes, but I'm going to explain, don't worry. Sir, please explain homework questions. I'm going to explain, don't worry. What were the questions? Question were, I think, something like this. Question number first, we were having. This pen, I think, what I use. Okay, what was the homework? Didn't get the second question. No problem. I'll explain here. Very easy question for displacement. You see, first question was something like this. And please don't ask what is the question. I have already discussed, given the question in last class. If you haven't solved, it's okay. But at least you should have written the question. So this is radius r. This is radius r. What we have to find? Object is going from here, A to B. Object is going from A to B. And what we have to find in this case? What we have to find, beta? We have to find average velocity and average speed. So R is, beta, I think 5, not 5 kilometer. R is 5 meter. And how much time it was taking? So to calculate the average speed, I need displacement and distance. What will be the value of displacement? Tell me fast. What will be the value of displacement? Tell me fast. Displacement will be, how will I calculate? By drawing a straight line. By drawing a straight line. So draw a straight line from A to B. So this will be used Pythagoras. It will be what? Under root r square plus r square. What will be the answer? Answer will be root 2r. This will be the displacement. And what will be the distance? I have already taught in the previous class. This is the distance. This is how much portion? This is 1/4 of the circumference. 1/4 and circumference 2 pi r. So it will be pi r by 2. So average speed will be what? I am writing here average speed. Average speed will be what, beta? Distance upon time. That is 60 degree. Next question, beta. Don't worry. First question was this. It will be distance upon time. So how much distance you are having? How much distance you are having? Distance we are having pi r by 2 into time. I am writing that delta t for the time. So what will be the answer? What is the value of radius here? Radius we are having 5 meter. Radius we are having 5 meter. No sir, you said even values. Well, I said even value. It will be pi into 5 upon 2 into what is the time? How much time it is taking? Sorry, radius value is 5 na beta. Time is 5. What was the radius value? I think it is 5. What is the radius? 5 meter. And time is 5 minutes. So what will be the answer? Both are 5 only. So what will be the answer? 5 into 60. Why I have multiplied by 60? Because time is in 5 minutes. Time is in 5 minutes. So that's why I have to convert it. So average speed will be what? 5 got cancelled out. So final answer will be pi upon 1/20 meter per second. This will be your average speed. This will be your average speed. Next you are having average velocity. It will be what? Next you are having average velocity. Tell me the formula of average velocity fast. Tell me the formula of average velocity. Average velocity. What will be the formula of average velocity? Displacement upon. Sir, what you took 5 meter? Displacement upon time interval. How much displacement we are having, beta? How much displacement is happening? Root 2 r. It is root 2 into r upon delta t. So what will be the answer for average velocity? It will be root 2 into, okay, I'll write here, space not left, root 2 into 5 upon 5 into, so will I convert or not? Yes, I have to convert. 60, 5 cancel, what will be the answer? Root 2 by 60 meter per second. This is the average velocity. This is the average speed, this is the average velocity. I hope everyone understood. I hope everyone understood. I think you guys haven't converted it into seconds. I think you guys haven't converted it into seconds. So that's why you were getting wrong answer. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Got it. Next question was what? Next question was what? Next question was something like this. You are having what? This was the situation something like this. Angle covered how much? 60 degree. Right? And radius again 5 meter I am taking. Sir, we need to divide. No, sir. Please convert meter per. No, beta. You convert by yourself. Need not to convert. Answer you have to write in meter per second. Okay. So next you will be having what? Find the. Here you have to find what? You have to find here first displacement. Tell me what will be the displacement. Everyone fast. Tell me what will be the displacement. Displacement will be what? I have already told you the formula. I have taught you the formula. What is the formula? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, everyone. What was the formula? What was the formula? Are right, everyone? 2r. What was the formula? That bisector we have taken like this. Remember? Sir, please use another slide. We are not able to see in QR code slides. What? Bhavya, what you are saying? Why you are not able to see? This is the already new slide. Don't worry. So displacement will be what? Displacement formula 2r sine theta by 2. This was the formula. 2r sine theta by 2. Here, what is the value of r? Take the value of r is 5 meter. And time how much? Delta t 3 minutes it was. Time is 3 minutes. Yes, I know I have already given time. I forgot to give this because both the questions were same. Convert it into second. It will be 180 seconds. Time will be 180 seconds. Next you will be having what? Displacement you have got. Yes, but I have only given the time. Now calculate the average velocity. Average velocity will be what? Average velocity will be what? Displacement upon time interval. It will be what? Displacement upon time interval. What is the value of displacement? Put the value. Sir, क्लास के हो जाने के बाद हम उस नोट्स को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. Why बेटा? Why you are not able? Everyone not able to see the notes? So beta, you can check in the video. If you're not able to see, what you can do on the YouTube, you just pause the video and move it forward. I think you can also see from there. In QR it is not visible, sir. What about the rest of the notes? The rest of the notes you are able to see? It is so small. Beta, if you are facing any problem, you can, where you are not able to see some other things, you can see from the YouTube also. I think that is the best way. You can also get your revision also. Don't see the QR code, don't see the PDF. Just see from the YouTube again. Video is there, it is available there. You can check it again where you are facing the problem. Okay, got everyone? Okay. So next you are having what? Average velocity. Tell me fast, what is the displacement here? Displacement will be what? 2. What is the value of r? 5. 5 into angle how much? Sine 60 by 2. And what is the time? It is 180 seconds. What will be the answer? What will be the answer for it? Sine 30 will be what, beta? Sine 30 will be sine 60 by 2. It will be what? Sine 30, and sine 30 value is what? 1 by 2. It will be what? 2 into 5 into 1 by 2 divided by 180. 2 cancel, and answer will be what? 5 ones are, I think 36. 5 threes are 15. 3 left. 5 6 are 30. Tell me if I am wrong. 1 by 36 meter per second. Going with the very slow. This is the answer. Next, average speed. What will be the answer for average speed? What will be the answer for average speed? Tell me everyone fast. Average speed formula will be distance upon again time interval. Time interval I am writing delta t. Now what is the distance here? the object is covering? Tell me fast, everyone. How much distance it is covering from here to here? Tell me, everyone, fast. From here to here, how much this distance will be? This is the distance. This distance will be how much? This distance will be how much? Angle how much? 60 degree na? For complete 360, how much it is there? For 1 degree, for 360 degree, it is 2 pi r. Last class I taught now how to calculate the distance for circumference of a sector. Tell me the formula for circumference of sector. For circle it is 2 pi r na? For sector it is what? This is the sector. If angle theta, what will be the answer? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r divided by delta t. What is the value of theta? 60. What is the value of theta? 60. 60 by 360 into 2 pi. What is the value of r? Radius value 5. What is the value of time? 180. This will be 6. What will be the answer? This will be 36. What is the answer? Pi by 36 multiplied by 3. 36 multiplied by 3. What will be the answer? 108 meter per second. So this portion, distance and displacement, we have already done. Length of arc. You can also say this is the length of arc or circumference of this sector. This much portion. Length of arc. So length of arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r divided by time. Understood, everyone? Understood this? So average speed, once explain again, sir. Okay, beta. So in average speed, distance upon time interval. Now in this circle, if you see, distance is what? This is distance A to B, and this A to B is what distance? Beta, chemistry class is after that. Haven't you seen the timetable? After this you will be having chemistry class. Don't worry about it. Sir will come. So this is the distance that we have to calculate. How we will calculate? This is the concept that I have taught in the last class. Theta divided by 360. For whole circle it is how much? 2 pi r. But it is how much? 60 degree. For 60 degree how much it will be? This theta by 360 into 2 pi r divided by time interval. Theta 60 by 360, 2 pi into r 5 and delta t 180 second. Understood? I hope this average speed and average velocity is clear to everyone. This average speed and average velocity is clear. Ashara beta, what you are doing? Ashara? Okay. So next beta, sir, if you are using only, why you take 180 time? Okay beta. See here, time is 3 minutes. So 3 minutes I am converting into what? Seconds. So in 1 minute how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. So that's why answer will become what? 180 seconds. That's why time. Understood? Beta, first question was तो very easy. क्या था उसमें? No beta, don't put the value of pi. In first question what was there? See, displacement root 2r and distance this. Move the screen, take another slide please. Beta, Manya, what I have told you. You can check whatever the notes you want to see from the YouTube by stopping it. You can listen to it again. The rest of the teacher also sliding down now. Getting or not? सर आप सिंगल स्लाइड में सब लिख रहे हैं. Yes, बेटा, I am writing in single slide. Everyone is writing in the single slide. Everyone is scrolling down or everyone is using different slides. Then, okay. So now we will start a new topic after this: average speed and average velocity. Sir, how do we know that theta is 90 degree? Beta, how simple and easy question you ask. Tell me, from here to here, how much angle it is covering? It is 1/4 of the circle. In whole circle, what is the angle? 360. In whole circle, what is the angle? 360. Then, in 1/4, what will be the angle? 360 by 4, 90 degree. ले यार, तेरी slide add कर देता हूँ. I will add the slide. Now happy? I will add the slide now. I will not scroll down. Happy? Why did you use trigonometry? In second problem where beta I have used trigonometry. If you are new to the class, please see the last class video. It is 2r sin theta by 2. I have already taught this thing. Displacement 2r sin theta by 2. And in question number 1, I haven't used this formula because here displacement is direct straight line. So that's why. Okay. So now we will start a new topic here. If you are having any problem, you can again see the video, you come to understand. Okay, beta? So there are enough questions we have already done for average velocity and average speed. Another concepts when you will come here offline, we will teach another concepts of average speed and average velocity. Don't worry. Now today we will start the concept of instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. Can anybody tell me what is instantaneous velocity? Instantaneous velocity. Before that, I will write the formula. Instantaneous. Instantaneous velocity. Anybody instantaneous velocity, YouTube people? Velocity at a particular time. Yes. Now, in average velocity. Yes, but the last class I have already taught. Before instantaneous velocity, what I have taught you today? Last class, I have taught you average velocity. Last class, I have taught you this average velocity, and the formula of average velocity was something like this. Displacement upon, what was it? Displacement upon time interval or displacement upon time. For displacement, what can I write? Yes, beta, we will repeat these things in the offline class. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. So displacement will be what? X final minus x initial upon t final minus t initial. How do we calculate beta displacement? Final position minus initial position divided by t final minus t initial. Remember? So that's why we write it like this: delta x upon delta t. Delta x, delta is what? Change. AKD sir has taught you na change, small change and large change in differentiation. Have you studied or not? Yes, yes or no? Yes or no? So this is a large change. So average velocity for a large change. Average velocity for large change. And instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. What is instantaneous? Imagine if I am moving like this from here. Right now, from here I am moving like this. So I take some time from here to move. So it is a time interval. But imagine if you are driving a car and if you see the indicator, at that particular situation, the velocity or speed that you are saying, that is which speed? That is which speed, beta? That is instantaneous speed. That is which speed? Understood? Imagine if you are driving a car or a scooty, and if you see the scooty, if you see the dial in the scooty, you will see what? Oh, 30. What is that? That is basically which speed? Instantaneous. So in similar manner, what is the slight difference between instantaneous and average? Very small difference. This time interval becomes what? Very small. This time interval becomes very small. If this time interval becomes very small, so instantaneous velocity is defined when time interval is very small. When time interval is very small. If time interval is very small, how do we write that thing? For a small change, what is the symbol? Tell me everyone. For a small change, what is the symbol? This delta t will become what? Yes. So instantaneous velocity, I am writing V instantaneous will be equal to what? It will be, this is a large change. Delta for large change. For small change, small d. So it will become what? Dx upon dt. This is the formula of instantaneous velocity. What is the formula of instantaneous velocity? Small change in displacement in small time interval. Understood or not? And in real life, what does it mean? Imagine if I am driving the scooty. I am driving the scooty in just very small time interval. There will be some change in the displacement. There will be some displacement there. So, instantaneous velocity will be differentiation. So, differentiation you have studied or not? Everyone raise your hand. How many of you studied differentiation? How many of you know about differentiation? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Raise your hand. Give me thumbs up. Who has studied differentiation? Raise your hand. Not studied. Those who didn't study, it's okay, beta. No problem. We will teach here again. And those who have studied, we will use differentiation here. So don't worry about it. Okay. You want me to slide down or need not to slide? New page. So this is the formula of instantaneous velocity. It is basically differentiation of what? Time. I think you have studied this formula of differentiation. How many of you studied this formula of differentiation? Tell me differentiation of, how to pronounce differentiation. This is what? What is the another name of it? Okay, but a new page I will give. This is basically rate of change of what? This is rate of change of what? Rate of change of function, but what is the thing which is changing with the time here? X. Displacement, rate of change of displacement. This is basically rate of change of displacement. I think you have studied this. You have studied this d by upon dx. You have studied d by upon dx now. For d by upon dx, what do we say? Rate of change of y with respect to x. Have you studied or not? dy upon dx, I think you guys have studied. Yes, very good. If you have studied. So, instantaneous velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Imagine if you are having velocity 30. It means with very fast rate, displacement is happening. We will do question based on it, then you will come to understand. Yes, we will teach you this again after whatever the things that we have taught here. We will again teach when you will come to the college. So don't worry. It is just an introduction that what we will teach you there. Okay, but I'm gonna give you some example. Don't worry. So next slide. Imagine if you are having. Tell me what is the differentiation of this b by x raised to the power n and differentiation. What is the differentiation of this? Do you know? If you know, so just raise your hand. I'm not asking the answer. If you know, so just give me thumbs up or raise your hand. Very good, very good. So differentiation of x raised to the power n, I think you have studied n power comes forward and it is x n minus 1. This is the differentiation of x raised to the power n. I think everyone knows. Very good. Now imagine if I am asking the differentiation of x cube. I'm just revising it fastly so that you will be able to do the problems. Differentiation of x cube with respect to x. Tell me its answer fast. Differentiation of x cube with respect to x. What will be the answer? Everyone, very good. Everyone answer it fastly. So what is the power here? Power is n. Power is what? N. So power will come forward. 3 will come forward. And x raised to the power, it is cube now. So you have to subtract the power by 1. 3 minus 1. So answer will be 3x square. Very good. Clear everyone? Clear to everyone? Very good. So why I have asked you, imagine if I am asking you this question. Differentiate t raised to the power 5 with respect to time. Differentiation of t raised to the power. Tell me its answer fast. Now the variable is t. Very good, very good. Same logic you have to use. Use the same logic. So answer will be what? 5 will come forward. 5 will come forward. T raised to the power 5 minus 1. So answer will be what? 5t raised to the power 4. I hope this you also understood. Very good. Majority students know about the kuncham about the differentiation. So this is the thing that we actually required in this particular topic, right? One more question I will ask you. Very good. Now do the differentiation of this with respect to time. You are having t square plus 2t. Okay, 2t plus 5. Tell me the differentiation of t square plus 2t plus 5. Do the differentiation with respect to time. T square plus 2t plus 5. Do it fast. What will be its answer? So many answers we are getting. 2t plus 2 plus 5. 2t, 2t, 2t. 2t plus 2. 2xn minus 1. You two people, you also answer. Fast answers, you two people. Answer it fastly. Very good. So what will be the answer we'll be getting here? T square. It will be. Okay. So now this differentiation gets multiplied inside. So it will become what? If you are having this t square, it will become what? D by dt of what? T square plus. Now I think you guys also know. Imagine d by dt in 2t. Whose differentiation will happen? Only t, and 2 will be outside. Plus d by dt of 5. D by dt of 5. So what will be the differentiation? Are beta, I think you have all done like this. Nice. Imagine if you are having situation like this. 5 into a plus b. So 5 will get multiplied to a and also to b. In similar manner, here differentiation will get multiplied to t square, 2t and 5. So what will be the answer? d by dt t square plus 2 and then 5. What will be the answer? T square answer will be what? T square differentiation will be what? 2t. What will be the differentiation of t? What will be the differentiation of t, everyone? It will be 1. It will be what? 1. Very good. It will be 1 plus. So this its answer will be 1. But outside what is the thing which is multiplied? 2. So that's why it is 2 plus. Now tell me the differentiation of 5. Tell me the differentiation of 5 fast. Differentiation of 5. Why 0? Because 5 is constant. Because 5 is constant. So answer will be what? 0. Answer will be 0. Very good. So that's why the differentiation of t square plus 2t plus 5 will be what? Again I am repeating. Once again listen. This first differentiated. So t square differentiation direct 2t. 2t. 2 is constant. Nothing will happen. Whose differentiation I have to do? T. So t differentiation 1. So that's my answer 2. There were some students, they were answering 5's differentiation 5. Somebody answering 1. They were wrong. Since 5 is a constant, 5 is a constant, and constant differentiation is 0. Constant differentiation is 0. I hope you understood differentiation. Very good. Now I will ask the question related instantaneous velocity. So let's see how we do the questions of instantaneous velocity. So question number 1, very easy we are having. If position of object is given by x equal to t square plus 3t minus 2. This is the position. If the position of object is given by x is equal to this, find the velocity. Find the velocity at any time t. At any time t. If the position of the object any time is given by x is equal to t square plus 3t minus 2, find the velocity at any time t. How we will find the velocity? Tell me everyone fast. Do the differentiation. What is the formula for? Okay, he is asking instantaneous or average. He is asking beta instantaneous velocity. What is the formula for instantaneous? Differentiation. So what I have to do? Differentiate it with respect to what? dx by dt. Now what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Very good. D by dt. What is the value of x? Put here. It is what? T square plus 3t minus 2. Now differentiate it fast. What will be the differentiation of t square? What will be the differentiation of t square? It will be 2t plus. Everyone, what is the differentiation of t square? Power will come forward. Subtract. 3 constant. What is the differentiation of t? 1. So answer will be 2t plus 3. What is the differentiation of minus 2? It will be 0. So what is the answer? So velocity will be what? What is the velocity of the particle at any time t? 2t plus 3. Right? I hope everyone understood this. Everyone understood? Thumbs up. Feeling easy or difficult? This topic is, I think, is the most easiest topic of this chapter. Thumbs up if you are feeling it easy. Easy. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, in this question, I am writing in the above question. Very simple. In the above question, in the above question, find the in the above question, find the velocity at t equals to 2 seconds. In the above question, find the velocity. What will be the answer? Very good. Very good. It means this is the most easiest. YouTube people, don't thumbs up. Answer it. Answer it fast. Very good. Very good. Answer it fast, everyone. The most easiest question of today's class. So in the above question, first what we have to find? Velocity we have already find. Next step, what we have to do? Put the value of time. Put the value of time at t is equal to, what is the time you are having? 2 seconds. So velocity will be what? 2 into 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 7 meter per second. I think everyone understood. Very good. I will ask next question now. Tell me, is it possible at any time velocity will be 0? Is it possible? At what time velocity will be 0? Can you find? Is it possible that velocity will be 0 at any time t? Imagine if I put this equal to 0. If I put velocity equal to 0, so answer will be what? 2t plus 3 equals to 0 and t will be equals to minus 3 by 2. Is it possible time can be negative? Some students are saying. Tell me, have you ever listened in your life that time is ever negative in your life? Never. So in this case, velocity will never be 0. Understood? Now what will be its initial velocity? What will be initial velocity? Question number 3, what is initial? In above question, what is initial velocity? In above question, what is initial velocity? What is its initial velocity? Tell me fast. What is the meaning of initial velocity? What is the meaning of initial velocity? Initial velocity means t0. T0. Put the time 0. Put t0. Therefore, time will be what? Sorry, what will be the velocity? If t is 0, velocity will be 2 into 0 plus 3. What is the answer? So what is the initial velocity? 3 meter per second. Very good, YouTube people also. Charan beta, why you are deleting your message? Very good. Sir, we can also compare. No beta, v is equal to u plus at. Not right now, not for this. We'll discuss that later on. Don't worry about it. Don't think about these formulas right now. So I think you understood from here 3 questions I found. First, velocity at any time t. Next, velocity at 2 seconds, initial velocity, right? Shall I ask one more question? Ready? Ready to answer or not? Ready to answer or not? Very good. So next question you are having something like this. If the position of a particle is given by x equals to 4t minus t square plus 3 meter. If the position of particle is given by x is equal to 4t minus t square, find first the time, find the time at which velocity will be zero. Find it fast. Find the time at which the velocity will be zero. Sorry, add one more thing here. I'm just moving it from here. Okay, do this first. At what time the velocity, beta position given, you have to find the time this time. Where the velocity will be zero. How will you do? How will you do this question? Come on, everyone do this. Do it fast. 2 seconds. So very first step to calculate the velocity. What is the formula of velocity? dx by dt. What we have to find? dx by dt. What will be the differentiation? Tell me everyone, what is the differentiation of 4t? 4 constant. So it is 4 into, what is the differentiation of t? 1. So 4 into 1 minus, what is the differentiation of t square? It will be 2 into t. What is the differentiation of 3? It will be 0. So this is the equation for velocity. So the velocity equation, so the velocity depending upon time is given by 4 minus 2t. Everyone understood or not? Velocity is equal to 4 minus t. Everyone understood or not? Next step. What is asking? Time at which velocity is 0. How will I find? So when v equals to 0, now equate this equation with 0. Put this equation equal to 0. What will I get? 4 minus 2t equals to 0. What answer I will get? 4 is equal to 2t. Then time is equal to what? 2 seconds. So at what time it is becoming 0? 2 seconds. This is the answer. Very good. Understood or not? Very good. Second part of the question. Shall I ask the second part now? Second part, shall I ask or not? Shall I ask the second part or not? So I am adding the second question, part of the question. The position. The position at which velocity will be 0. How will I find? First part was time at which velocity will be 0. चाहिए factorization method. What is factorization method? Which factorization method? Yes, beta, we need to solve by a differentiation method. Factor when is required, we'll do the factors. Don't worry about that. Quadratic and whatever the factors, we not to do. Akhilesh, what you are asking? What do I need to explain? So in this question, what he has given, this is the position, and position is depending upon time. Imagine, right now t0, so I am here. With time I am moving fast. Getting the logic? So speed is basically velocity is basically depending upon time. So how will I calculate? Velocity will be dx upon dt. So I have differentiated. So for differentiation, you have to see the previous slide and also the basic that you have studied. This is the differentiation, 4 minus 2t. And then Put the velocity equal to 0 and time is equal to 2 seconds. Beta, what messages you are doing here on the YouTube? Na to kuda chat chain diara bablu. Beta, please don't answer to these, those who are just doing the random messages. Okay? Now, do the second portion. The position at which velocity will be 0. How will I calculate the position? How will I calculate the position? Time ko I have calculated. How will I calculate the position? How will I calculate the position here? I have to put time here. Put time here. Put time here. What is the time? So to calculate the position, what do I have to do? I have to put the what? In the first case, this is the second case. So position will be what? What is the formula? X is equal to it was 4t minus t square plus 3 meter. So x was depending upon what? Time, na? X was depending upon time. So velocity is 0 at what time? And we know v equals to 0 at what time? At t is equal to 2 seconds. So put time here. Put time 2 seconds. What will I get? X will be what? X is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square plus 3. What answer I will get? Now 8 minus 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 7. Better not meter per second. It is 7 meter. This is the position. This is the position when the velocity is 0. I hope you understood. Shall I ask you one more question related to it or not? Are you ready for it or not? What I did, I put this time in the equation. So the moment I put the time in the equation, what I get? The position. And since position is in meter, so what is the position? 7 meter. One, sir. Okay. Shall I give you homework? Shall I give you homework or not? Okay, beta. So the question is something like this. If position of object, or shall we discuss here it right now? 2-3 minutes it will take. If position of object is given by x is equal to 40 plus 2t plus 3t square, find the distance, find the distance covered by object in 2 seconds. Find the distance covered by object in 2 seconds. No, sir, homework. Do it right now. Position is given, this time distance he is asking. How much distance it will cover? Can you do? Do it fast. How will you calculate? What is the answer? Very good, very good. Somebody is saying 56 meter. Someone will do homework, please. Your choice, beta. Whether you want, you can solve it right now also. Or you can also take it as homework. Okay, beta. So I will give this question as homework. This is a homework question for you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will discuss this question. Okay. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Whatever the topics we have discussed today, just go through it once again and do this question. Okay. Try to use your brain in this question. We'll see whether your answer is correct or not. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye. Sir, please share the QR code. Okay, beta. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Bye bye. Share the QR code. They are seeing some problem in the QR code. Some problem in QR code is coming. Actually, they are saying this. I have taught in different pages. This QR code is for 5 pages.
Yeah, 5 pages.
Shall we teach on only the one page or on the different pages? Because I have taught on the different pages.
No, if you share 5 pages, sir.
Automatically
we scan.
Huh? Share.
That's true.